Hi there, Tim from K-On. We're under the LC300, the LandCruiser 300, and today we're looking at installing the Panhard Corrector. Really easy to do and helps correct your suspension geometry. When installing the Panhard Corrector, you can either do it on the ground or up on a 2-post hoist. We've got this on a 4-post hoist, which is equivalent to having the vehicle on the ground. We find it easier to reposition the Panhard when the vehicle's actually on the ground. You'll also notice that we don't have the spare tyre. We've removed the spare tyre. That's for clarity, but it also does make it easier to get access to the Panhard. Now you can install it with the spare tyre in place, but you'll find it much easier if you actually drop that spare tyre and get it out of the way. The first thing you want to do is remove this lower bolt that holds the Panhard in place. Now you'll find that nothing really moves, and it's quite easy to lift this Panhard and get it out of the way. Now that the Panhard's out of the way, we want to grab this inner mount and place it inside where the bracket was, or where the Panhard was sitting. Next step is we'll grab our outer bracket here, and you'll notice that it's attached on the bottom, on the side, and then it gives us that extra mounting position up the top. Now the trick with this one is there's actually a spacer that sits here in between the bracket and that inner mount. And the easiest way to get that in place is to actually grab your M10 bolt and washer, pass it in from the side, just like so. And that holds that spacer in place while you slide this. Whoop. So that holds that spacer in place while you slide this over the bracket and just find the threaded hole that's in the side of the inner mount and get that started. You can see that's in place with a spacer in between it. So you don't need to tighten it, just keep it all nice and loose. You can now place this bolt back in just loosely as well. And then we've got 2 of the shorter M10 bolts and washers, and these go underneath. We'll just make sure that they're all started. So I'll get these close to home. You don't want to tighten it, you want to keep everything nice and loose. So we've got our bolts in place. Now we'll put the Panhard back down, and you'll notice this might not quite line up. We'll see how we go. Then we get this M14 bolt, and it looks like we'll need to just sort of pry the axle over. Now you can do that with a ratchet strap, or you can use a block of wood. What I'll do is I'll go find something to lever that axle over. So my hole doesn't quite line up, so I actually need to move the axle that way actually. So I've just got a block of wood in between the tyre and the chassis, and you can see it's actually quite easy to move that Panhard and get it into place. Once you get it through, just make sure that you can get the thread started. Just like that. There you go, I've got that thread started. Now what I'll do is I'll just get that almost home, and then there's a particular order of torquing and tightening up this Panhard. So that's not quite home yet, so everything's loose. So what we'll do is we'll tighten this up in a particular order and then torque them all up. So the order you want to tighten these bolts up is this side bolt, this front bolt, 2 on the bottom, and then lastly the 1 on the top. Now you want to do this when the vehicle's at ride height. If you're up on a 2-post hoist with the axle hanging down, you want to put it all back on the ground before you tighten this last bolt on the top. So we'll go ahead and tighten these. So I haven't quite torqued it up all the way. I'm just nipping them home, and then we'll go back with a torque wrench. Then the bottom 2. And then the top 1. Okay, Now we go back with a torque wrench, we'll tighten those up. So this one first, the front one, the two on the bottom and then the top. Get this torqued up. Front one. Just refer to your instructions for the torque settings. Head back down, make sure you adjust your torque setting back down for these M10 bolts on the bottom. Okay. And the last one is the big bolt on the top. Reset our torque again. There you go, all torqued up and all done. So there you have it, the Panhard Corrector, all installed on this LandCruiser 300. On this lifted vehicle, we've restored the rear suspension geometry pretty much back to factory. Now, if you want to find out a little bit more about this Panhard Corrector or the other vehicles we make this corrector for, check out the website kn.com.au.